Hey guys, in this video we're going to be changing out the cabin filter in my 2024 Subaru Crosstrek. I went with the Wix filter from Rock Auto, as Wix makes reputable filter replacements. In the packaging you get instructions, which we obviously don't need because you're watching my video, and there is the filter itself. Step 1, get the glove box open, squeeze in on either side to get the latches over the lip, then come around to the right side. Remove the piston by squeezing in the plastic tab and taking it off. We now have access to the cabin filter housing. To remove the cover, squeeze the two clips at the bottom of the cover, pry open and pull away. With that done, we can now grab the old filter pulling towards us and remove it from the cabin filter housing. Important to note, the directional arrow for airflow, we will want to put the new filter in the same way the old one came out. The old one could be tossed aside. Taking our new filter, looking at the arrows for airflow, orienting them in the same direction. We will then insert the new filter into the housing by sliding it in. With the air filter installed, we can now put the housing cover back in place. There are two tabs that will slide into slots on the upper portion of the housing. Once those are in, we could push the housing cover closed, pushing the two bottom tabs into place. With the cover installed, we could put the glove box back into place by squeezing on either side to get the latches over the lip, and then finally reinstall our piston by sliding it over the post and pushing inwards. And there you have it, guys. Replacement of a cabin air filter on a 2024 Subaru Crosstrek.